Hey everyone, it's Marley with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today we are standing aboard the Aquila 36 Molokai. Come on board and let's check it out. So starting on the business end of the boat here, this boat is powered by twin Mercury V10 425s. They did a really good job at making this boat a good blend of fishing and cruising. So they left enough space here in the middle. You have a huge dive ladder that pops out in the middle. And then walking back into the boat, you've got over 200 gallons of live well space on board. So you've got these two transom live wells as well as the in-floor live wells here. There's also a pull-out bench seat on either side here in the transom. And continuing on with the cruisability and the entertaining, you've got a summer kitchen here equipped with an electric grill and a sink. And then you've also got some tackle storage down here underneath it. You also have some rear-facing seats here, right here in the back. These are Yeti coolers. They both slide out to give you some more seating on the boat. And you also have a really cool feature here. You have a Raymarine screen facing aft. So that way, if you're back here and you're trying to look at what you're over and you're fishing, you've got that screen right there to read out to you. Now, walking up to the helm, you've got three really nice helm seats. Center helm here. You've got nice AC blowing on you up here at the helm. Everything on this boat is controlled with the C-Zone, so it's all digital switching, makes it really easy to use. Of course, you have your joystick and you have two big Raymarine displays right here. And now, one of the really cool features on this boat is the fact that it does have a cabin. So there's not a lot of other center console catamarans that are gonna have this cabin as well built in. Aquila did a great job of blending fishability and comfort on this boat. You can see just walking through the gunnels how much space you have on each side of the console, just for simply walking around and fighting a fish, making it easier to maneuver around the boat. You've got rod holders throughout the entire boat in the gunnels, right up here on the console. Huge fish boxes in the floor here on both sides of the deck. And then walking up to the bow, you've got a huge lounger. So again, mixing in that comfort factor, not just for fishing, you've got plenty of seating for the family. This boat also has the FLIR camera system and the radar above. And then walking up here to the front of the boat, you have tons of storage on both sides and access to your windlass anchor. This boat is definitely one of the boats you're gonna wanna step on in person and check it out because it's got so many features on it. Or if you wanna go and look at the big brother over here, we have the 47. Come by and see us at MarineMax Pompano Beach or give me a call at 407-446-5990.